When building forms, sometimes you'll want to add choices for the user to select. Gravity Forms makes this process a breeze with the choices flyout. Drop-down, radio buttons, survey, and pricing fields are just a few examples of the field types that let you add and modify choices. By selecting Edit Choices, you can open the Choices flyout. If you need, you can use the arrow button next to the flyout to expand the Choices window. You can use the plus and minus buttons to add or remove choices, or add multiple choices at once using the bulk add/predefined choices button. Choices can be rearranged, and if the field supports it, the default choice can be set by using the checkmark button. If you need to view or change the values of a choice, select Show Values. Assigning values to a choice can be helpful when you want to use conditional logic to show or hide fields based on what the user selects for this choice field. Be sure to check out our video on conditional logic for more information. When you're done adding choices, make sure to save your form. For more guides and tutorials on what you can do with Gravity Forms, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.